So hello everyone, welcome back to Cutoff 360. Hope all of you are doing good. The time is currently 11:36 and we'll soon be starting the live for the JEE Main exam analysis as soon as it gets over. So you can expect the analysis by 12:05. However, if you want me to discuss some predicted question for JEE upcoming exam, if you're appearing for the upcoming exam and you want me to discuss the same, then you can ping yes in the comment section and we'll try to provide some of the expected questions that you can assume that it might come in future upcoming exams. So guys, as you can see in the screen, before we get started with the upcoming analysis discussion, let's discuss some of the questions that we think it might come in the JEE Main upcoming exam. And this question has been prepared based on the previous year's trend. So make sure you attend this session and answer some of the question which you feel that it might, like, what is the expected answer for this particular question. You please assume and tell me, and based on that will like highlight the correct answer also in the same live. So let me start with physics section first, or do you want me to continue with maths? Please do comment the same in the comment box. So as you can see, the first question is from definite integrals. Also, if you want this access to this particular solvable question paper sheet, then you can comment down the same yes in the comment section, and we will like at the end of this live will provide you access to this sheet which you can use it to practice the question paper. Again, I'm repeating, you can use this particular sheet to practice the question paper. So please guys comment down what would be the answer for the first question that you see on the screen. And again, I'm repeating it, the detailed analysis will start from 12:05 after we receive some of the comments from candidates on how the question paper was, and based on that we'll be providing you the update on the shift 1 analysis. And as per the first reaction and first, assumption that we are predicting, that the question paper will be moderate, and this time chemistry will not be surprising, but NTA always surprises us. So again, this is the predicted question. Again, I'm repeating it, don't get confused, this is not the question that was asked in today's exam, but this is the most predicted question which we think might appear in the upcoming exam. So make sure to comment down your answers, and we will mark it in the same live. What can be the expected answer for the first definite integral question? Any guesses? Guys, please guess your answer. What will be the right answer for the first question? So we are not getting much responses, but still the answer will be pi square by 4. So why I asked you that you will get access to this particular sheet is because at the end of this live, whoever is online, whoever is staying with us till the end, we will provide you access to this particular sheet which contains the top 45 important questions. Again, I'm repeating it, top 45 important question which is expected to appear in the JEE Main upcoming exam. So if you are someone who is appearing in today in shift 2 or in the upcoming exam, make sure you have access to this particular sheet, or it is going to help you. Again, I'm repeating it, it is going to help you in multiple ways for the preparation. And surely this is based on the session 1, the difficulty level, the unexpected difficulty level that was asked in the session 1. The sheet has been prepared based on that, so make sure you stick till the end. And the analysis for shift 1 will be made available after 12:05. जैसे ही 12:05 या 12:10 बजेगा, हम आपको डिटेल एनालिसिस प्रोवाइड करेंगे जेई मेन अप्रैल 2 एग्ज़ाम का. सो मेक श्योर आप एंड तक इस लाइफ के स्टिक रहें. और if you have any questions related to upcoming exam, make sure to comment down the same in the comment section. We'll try to answer most of your questions in the live. So as you can see, for the definite integrals we have solved one question and the answer is C. Next, moving ahead, we have differential equation question which you can see in the screen. So any guesses what will be the right answer for this, the second question that you see on the screen currently? Any guesses, guys? What will be the right answer for the second question that you see on the screen? We will discuss the analysis of shift 1 sharp at 12:10 once the exam is over. So make sure you stick till the end of this live. We will provide you very detailed analysis. Also, if also let's like take a poll. Like I have provided a poll in the chat box. Which you think will be the hardest? Like in the shift 1 session 1, most of us felt that chemistry came out of box, even though some people felt that it was doable, but it was difficult compared to previous years, because most of the time chemistry used to be NCERT based questions, direct रहते थे, तो people बहुत easily solve कर लेते थे. But this time it was out of context and session 1 में chemistry difficult आया था. तो आज session 2 का shift 1 शार्प 12 o'clock में कंक्लूड होने वाला है. तो व्हाट डू यू गाइज थिंक, क्या होने वाला है? कौन सा क्वेश्चन, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा हार्ड रहेगा? केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और मैथ्स तो ऑब्वियसली रिमेन्स हार्ड, तो मैथ्स तो विल नॉट कंसिडर. बट बिटवीन फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री व्हाट डू यू थिंक, which one will be the most toughest, physics or chemistry? Comment down or at least give the poll in the chat that I have provided so that we can analyze your question. And so any guesses, guys? What will be the right answer for the second question? So yes, so for second question, differential equation, the correct answer is B. I'm giving you sufficient time to solve the question, so make sure you are able to answer it. We'll solve 5 questions right now. From we have 15 questions from maths, but currently we'll solve only 5 questions, and we'll jump on to chemistry and we'll know what will be the right answer for chemistry questions. Next, moving ahead, we have third question on the list, which is 3D geometry, from 3D geometry. So what do you think? What will be the right answer for the third question, which is displayed on the screen? The analysis for the shift 1 will be made live right at 12:10. So make sure you stick till the end. Right now we are discussing the most expected questions for upcoming exam. Don't forget to like the video, because people who like will only get access to this particular sheet, which will be providing at the end. We'll cross check who has at least subscribed and liked the channel. So make sure you subscribe and like a channel, and also tell me the answer for the third one. We are waiting, like what will be the right answer for the third question. So we are getting good number of votes, and everyone is saying maths will be hardest, which is very obvious. But some of them have also said that chemistry can be expected difficult. Like most of the people have felt that जो सेशन 1 में डिफिकल्टी लेवल रहा वो सेशन 2 में भी हो सकता है. So for the third one, the right answer will be A. And this is the correct explanation on how the A is the correct answer for the same. Guys, we'll start with the live sharp at like discussing the analysis of the question paper sharp at 11:10. So make sure you stick till the end of this live. So next we have question from vector, and I think most of you are not interested in solving maths questions. So we'll jump on to the chemistry or physics after this particular question. So tell me, you guys, what will be the correct answer for the fourth question that is displayed on the screen. So for the fourth question, the correct answer will be, any guesses? The correct answer is D. So these are the questions which we have prepared by analyzing past 5 years trends, and these are the most important questions. So make sure you have access to this, and at the end of this live, once this live is over, we will provide you access to this particular link where you can access the sheet and solve the questions, practice the questions, because tomorrow is holiday, there is no exam. So you can take up the whole day, practice and analyze where you are going wrong if you are appearing for the future exam. Or make sure to comment down your poll all in this comment box कि which subject you feel will be the difficult, कौन सा subject होगा जो difficult होने वाला है आपको session 2 shift 1 exam में, day 1 exam में. Make sure to comment down your thought. The analysis will start discussing sharp at between 12 to 5 to 12:10, मतलब 12:05 या 12:10 PM के बीच में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि वी विल स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग द एनालिसिस. मीनवाइल लेट्स सॉल्व सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट वी थिंक कैन अपीयर इन द JEE Main Session 2 exam. So next we have chemistry. So let's start with physics, not chemistry. So we have physics on the screen. So can anyone tell me what will be the right answer for the first question? Guys, can anyone tell me what is the right answer for the first question of physics, which is displayed on the screen? Currently the time is 11:50, and in the next 15 to 20 minutes we will start discussing the analysis for the shift 1 after we receive some comments from student on how the question paper was and how difficult the question paper was. Also we'll be highlighting some of the important questions which were asked in the exam based on memory of the candidate after 12:30. In the first 15 minutes, like 12:10 में हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे डिस्कशन ऑफ एनालिसिस, एंड आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर 20 minutes विल बी डिस्कसिंग द important questions. ऑल्सो मैं आप सभी को एक चीज़ रिकमेंड करूँगा, मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग एनी न्यू चैप्टर्स राइट नाउ. जो हो गया है उस पर आप फोकस करो. Guys, what do you think? What will be the correct answer for the question highlighted on the screen? We'll start with the live soon. So B is the correct answer for the first question, modern physics. B is the correct answer, not C. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन का टॉपिक भी हाईलाइटेड है. टॉपिक इज हाईलाइटेड along with the question difficulty. If you feel that you have given an incorrect answer, take some time, go back after this live is over, एनालाइज कि किस लिए आपका क्वेश्चन वो गलत हुआ, सो दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑन द एग्जाम डे यू स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट विद सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन पेपर. Next, after the first question, I'm moving to the second question, and you can see it on the screen, which is from nuclei. So, what will be the right answer for the second question, which is displayed on the screen? Any guesses? Like, see, we are not asking to pay anything for answering your options. You are appearing for the exam. अपना ऑप्शन को आप इजीली टाइप करो. कमेंट बॉक्स कंप्लीटली फ्री है, कोई इस पर चार्ज नहीं लगने वाला है. आप कमेंट बॉक्स पे हिट करो, टाइप करो कि आपको क्या लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है. एटलीस्ट यू कैन डिसाइड, थिंक कि हाँ कहाँ पे गलत हुआ एंड कहाँ पे आप उसे करेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो अगेन आई एम सेइंग, मेक श्योर टू ज्वाइन गाइज, शेयर दिस लाइव विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. Make sure to hit the like button. Many of you are not hitting the like button, and it's a very much pleasant request from everyone that please hit the like button so that we can continue with this live. And 12:10 sharp, at 12:10 we will start with the, after we get at least 5 to 6 reaction from candidate on how the question paper was, and after that we will be starting and we'll be discussing the difficulty level of the question paper. So guys, any guesses what will be the right answer for the second question? So C is the right answer for the second question, which is 1/8. If you feel that this particular option you have got it correct, then well and good. I'm again repeating, this question sheet has been prepared based on the 5 years. मतलब हमने 5 साल के ट्रेंड्स को एनालाइज किया, and based on that we have prepared this sheet. At the end of this live, once the live is over, we will be giving you access to this particular sheet in the description box. You can come back, you can check it out, but make sure कि, sorry, not description, comment box disappear हो जाएगा, and after that you might not have access to the this particular sheet. तो ये sheet को it's completely free, you don't have to pay anything for this particular sheet. And ये question paper mock test type है, 45 important questions prepared based on the 4 years, past 4 years के trends पे prepare किया गया है. So tell me what will be the right answer for the third question. Atom Bohr's model. Guys, comment down what will be the right answer for the third question that you see on the screen. The current time is 11:55, and from 12:10 we can expect the discussion of analysis. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. But for now, you tell me what will be the right answer for the third question, which is displayed on the screen. Just guess it, guys. Guess क्या question का answer होगा. You just have to guess. Come on, guys, give your answers. What will be the right answer for the third question, which is displayed on the screen? So for the third one, the correct answer is D. So for the third one, the correct answer is D. Do you want me to continue solving this question so that you get more confident for the exam? So next, moving ahead, we have fourth question which is displayed on the screen, and it's from current electricity. So what will be the right answer for this particular question? Any guesses? Any guesses, guys? What will be the right answer for the fourth question which is displayed on the screen? The time is 12. Almost it's going to be 12, and the exam is going to be over, and we will soon start with the live. No, it's not the original paper. Again, I'm repeating it. This is not. This is prepared based on the previous year's analysis. This is not something that is going to appear for the that has been appear for the shift वन एग्जाम. ये क्वेश्चन वो है ही नहीं जो शिफ्ट वन में appear हुआ है. ये just before exam, before the shift one concludes, we are discussing some questions to analyze your preparation and how confident you are with the exam. After 12:30, we will be providing the questions that were asked in the shift 1 exam. Guys, what will be the right answer for the fourth question which is displayed on the screen? Any guesses? Again, I am repeating it. This is the not the question that was asked in the shift 1 exam, but it is important questions that was asked in the previous year's exam. So the correct answer for fourth is A. So guys, the time is almost 12. We will soon be starting with the live of JEE Main Shift 1 analysis along with the question paper discussion. Make sure you stay tuned till the end. We will be giving you very accurate analysis on how the question paper was. Once we start receiving, some of our students have appeared for the exam, and we will give you the exact analysis of how the question paper was and किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में अपीयर हुए थे. वी विल गिव यू अ डिटेल एनालिसिस राइट आफ्टर 12:30. Right after 12:30, we'll give you a detailed analysis of the type of question that was asked in the shift 1 exam. So make sure you stick till the end of this live. So guys, stay tuned. From 12:10 we'll be starting the live for the JEE analysis. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Currently we are collecting analysis from candidate who have appeared for the exam, and based on that we'll be providing a detailed analysis on how the question paper was. So make sure you stick till the end of this video. Guys, we are currently collecting the analysis and the difficulty level of how the question paper was. So make sure you stick till the end. Until then, you can solve the questions that is highlighted on the screen so that you get more confident about the exam. So the fifth question is from electrostatics, which you can see on the screen. Right from 12:15, we will be making things live for you guys, and you will get access to the analysis and first reaction from student on how the question paper was and how they felt the overall difficulty level of the question paper was. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Until then, fifth question का answer क्या होगा? You can answer it. So what will be the right answer for the fifth question? Any guesses? Guys, soon we'll be discussing the live of analysis of shift 1. Shift 1 का analysis हम लोग बहुत जल्दी, once we start receiving the responses from candidates on how the question paper was, we will discuss the live. In live we'll discuss the detailed analysis physics, chemistry, maths का, और हम लोग ये भी डिस्कशन करेंगे कि आगे इन फ्यूचर एग्जाम हाउ यू हैव टू अपीयर एंड टॉपर स्टेप्स, सब कुछ हम लोग इसी लाइव में डिस्कस करेंगे अलॉन्ग विथ मार्क्स वर्सेस परसेंटाइल. वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ मार्क्स वर्सेस परसेंटाइल एंड दैट विल श्योरली हेल्प यू टू एनालाइज. इफ यू हैव अपीयर्ड फॉर द एग्जाम, इट विल श्योरली हेल्प यू टू एनालाइज व्हाट विल बी द एक्सपेक्टेड परसेंटाइल दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग इन द जेई मेन एग्जाम. तो आप लास्ट तक मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड and answer the question. Like you can guess what will be the right answer for the fifth question until we get back. So again I'm repeating it, this is not the exact paper that has appeared for the shift 1 exam. This is the expected questions which can appear in the future exam. जो शिफ्ट 1 का क्वेश्चन है, हम लोग 12:30 के बाद डिस्कस करेंगे कि शिफ्ट 1 में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे. सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड, ऑल्सो हिट द लाइक बटन. एंड वन मोर थिंग, दिस इज द सॉल्वेबल क्वेश्चन. ये जो भी हम लोग अभी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, दिस इज अ क्लिकेबल मॉक टेस्ट काइंड ऑफ question. So at the end of this live, in the comment box, I'll be dropping the link of this particular sheet so that you can practice. So make sure you stick till the end and do comment, guys, what will be the right answer for the fifth question which is displayed on the screen. Any guesses? So someone commented C and we have typed C, but the right answer is B. So if you are appearing for the exam, make sure to focus on electrostatics because electrostatic आपका revision मांग रहा है. Next, moving ahead, we have sixth question. Soon, like the current time is 12:05 and in like 10 to 15 minutes we'll be giving you the If you have appeared for the exam, make sure to comment down what was the difficulty level of question paper. How did you feel the question paper was? Make sure to comment down the same. We will soon start discussing the overall difficulty level along with the analysis of shift 1. गाइस सून विल बी स्टार्टिंग द लाइव फॉर द एनालिसिस. हम लोग एनालिसिस का डिस्कशन बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट करने वाले, सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड. Please comment down how do you think the question paper was. कहीं नहीं गया हूँ, यहीं हूँ. Just I'm collecting the analysis from students who have appeared for the exam. अभी फिलहाल स्टूडेंट्स बाहर आ रहे हैं अपने एग्जाम सेंटर के, तो वंस दे आर आउट वी विल गिव यू अ डिटेल एनालिसिस ऑफ द क्वेश्चन पेपर. इफ यू डू यू थिंक दिस टाइम केमिस्ट्री विल बी डिफिकल्ट, प्लीज कमेंट डाउन द सेम. Do you think this time chemistry will be difficult? Comment down the same. So by 12:15 to 12:20 we can expect the detailed analysis. So make sure you stick till the end. अभी we are collecting the total number of good questions. अभी भी स्टूडेंट्स बाहर आ रहे हैं एग्जाम सेंटर के, तो वी आर स्टिल कलेक्टिंग द अपडेट. So as per the latest update, we are thinking that overall question paper was little difficult, but make sure you stick till the end. In the 10 minutes we'll be starting the discussion of how the question paper was. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन हमारे पास आ रहा है जहाँ पे कैंडिडेट बोल रहा है कि पेपर वॉज ईजी. दिस टाइम केमिस्ट्री वॉज सिंपल. फर्स्ट अपडेट आ रहा है हमारे पास, केमिस्ट्री वॉज सिंपल दिस टाइम. पेपर वॉज डूएबल. फर्स्ट अपडेट हमारे पास आ चुका है. सो गाइज फाइनली वी आर अप विद द एनालिसिस ऑफ शिफ्ट वन का एनालिसिस हमारे पास है. हमने ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 स्टूडेंट्स को भी एनालाइज किया है, एंड बेस्ड ऑन देयर कमेंट, जो उनका कमेंट था, एंड उसके बेसिस पे हमने एनालिसिस हमारे पास आ चुका है कि कैसा एनालिसिस है, एंड विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल. सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड. अप्रैल 2 का शिफ्ट 1 का एनालिसिस. ओवरऑल डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन पेपर वॉज मॉडरेट. Overall difficulty level of question paper was moderate, so make sure you stick till the end. Guys, हमारे पास फर्स्ट रिएक्शन आ चुका है स्टूडेंट्स का, एंड द ओवरऑल डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर वाज मॉडरेट. हम अभी बहुत डिटेल में एनालिसिस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड. So overall the question paper was moderate. So we have received the first reaction from candidates, and overall the question paper was moderate. Just guys, give me few more minutes. I'll be back soon with the latest update on. So as per the first reaction, the physics section was moderate. Many felt that the physics was moderate and it was doable. The question paper, what we have received in the first analysis from student is that question paper बहुत easy था. Not easy, मतलब for the people who have prepared well for the exam, for them the question paper was easy. As per the first reaction that we have received, physics moderate था. यहाँ पे question doable थे. People thought that it will be difficult as per the session 1 shift 1, but shift 1 again NTA has come back to the same path, which is it was easy, it was doable. So first you can see on the screen we have highlighted the overall difficulty level, means formula based. As per the reaction that we have received, the question paper, the physics section was formula based and 70% of the questions were formula based. So if you are appearing for the future exam, make sure, even though the physics was easy and to moderate, in the level of easy to moderate, you don't think that in future exam also it is going to be the same. But हमारे पास शिफ्ट 1 का रिएक्शन आ चुका है एंड रिएक्शन के अकॉर्डिंगली दो जो फिजिक्स सेक्शन था इट वाज easy to moderate. The questions were formula based, conceptual. When it comes to how tricky the physics section was, so it is only 10%. Means our experts have analyzed, and based on that we have given a detailed discussion, as you can see on the screen, that physics का trickiness level बहुत कम था, which is 10%. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से 4 to 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. ऑप्टिक्स से 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. मैग्नेटिज्म से 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. मैकेनिक्स एंड रोटेशन से 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. इफ़ यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर एग्जाम, मेक श्योर you watch this live. It will surely help you. As you can see, we have received some of the reactions also from the candidates. So physics were very scoring today. Current electricity had 4 to 5 direct formula based questions. So someone from Kota, Rajasthan, who have studied in LN have said that the overall the difficulty level of question paper was easy to moderate. 4 to 5 direct formula based questions होते. Then Kirchhoff, Wheatstone Bridge, all came, मतलब सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे. तो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस लाइव. यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कशन करने वाले. व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स हैव सेड. थर्मोडायनामिक्स पीवी ग्राफ क्वेश्चन वाज मीडियम. थर्मोडायनामिक्स पीवी ग्राफ वाज मीडियम. सो सारे क्वेश्चंस जो भी पूछे गए थे फिजिक्स में, दैट वाज डूएबल. So before we move ahead with discussing everything on how the question paper was and overall difficulty level, let's take a quick look at the difficulty level. Means chemistry maths का difficulty level क्या था. So as per the recent reaction, chemistry was easy to moderate. While we have taken review, we might have taken review from multiple candidates. So some of them said that it was easy. So we have marked it as easy, but we can keep it under the range of easy to moderate. क्वेश्चंस वर एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड. हमने अभी जो भी रिएक्शंस फर्स्ट लिए हैं कैंडिडेट से, everyone has said that the question was easy to moderate and NCERT based. So chemistry was not shocking like session 1. Session 1 की तरह chemistry shocking नहीं था. It was doable. And math, when it comes to math, while we have mentioned it's moderate to hard, everyone knows that maths was moderate to hard. But if we compare maths with previous years or previous session, math was doable. Yes, we have received at least 8 reactions and everyone has said that math was doable. People were able to, it was lengthy, math was lengthy, but it was doable. Like you can see, we have mentioned that multiple step and lengthy. The lengthiness was the major factor in the maths this time in session 1 of JEE Main session 2 exam. Apart from that, April 2 के एग्जाम में it was not that difficult. And when it comes to JEE एडवांस लेवल का क्वेश्चन, तो JEE एडवांस लेवल का क्वेश्चन भी कम था, वैसा नहीं आया था. 10% का हम लोग रेशियो लेके चल रहे हैं, उस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आया था. सो एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, make sure to do so. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Apart from that, on the screen you can see maths was lengthy but doable. So let's discuss from physics, and if you want me to discuss any specific section, you can let me know. Apart from that, let's move to physics and discuss what kind of questions were asked and what type of topics were asked in the exam. So as you can see on the screen, current electricity से 4 to 5 questions पूछे गए थे. From optics 3 to 4 questions were asked. मैग्नेटिज्म से 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन वे आस्क्ड. मैकेनिक रोटेशन, मॉडर्न फिजिक्स से क्वेश्चन आए थे. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स से देयर वर क्वेश्चंस. फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स से देयर वर क्वेश्चंस एंड सेमीकंडक्टर. सो दीज वर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन द सेशन 2 शिफ्ट 1 April 2 एग्जाम. इफ यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर future exams, make sure you are confident with these kind of topics, and we will be discussing what type of questions also were asked in the exam. So make sure you stick till the end. If you have any doubt, if you feel that the question paper was not that very difficult, you can comment down the same, because this analysis is purely based on the first reaction that we have received from the candidates. Meanwhile, you can read out the comments, what people felt. That someone from UP Varanasi said that ray optics was a highlight, mirror plus lens combo questions, prism refraction, wave optics were also question based on wave optics were also doable. So what do you think? How was the difficulty level of exam? Please comment down the same in the comment section. Soon we'll be providing you the type of question that was asked in the exam. The type of question that was asked in the exam. So as you can see on the screen, physics formula based था, conceptual था. What is the good number of attempts? Now let's come and discuss the April 2 shift 1 का good number of attempts. Then we'll shift to chemistry and mathematics का difficulty level and important topics. So as you can see on the screen, if you have attempted 23 to 25 questions in physics, you have done exceptional job. You are going to get good marks. And if you have attempted more than that, then also better. So this is the means in physics we can keep between 25 to 30 as the good attempts. For chemistry it is 24 to 25 we have mentioned, but it will be between 24 to 28, because chemistry, as per the recent information that we are receiving from candidates, chemistry was also doable. This time chemistry was doable and many people have easily attempted chemistry. So it was not like फर्स्ट सेशन में जैसा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आए थे केमिस्ट्री में वैसा नहीं आया है. इस बार बहुत इजी था. एंड मैथमेटिक्स वाज टफ. इफ यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड 17 to 19 क्वेश्चन इन मैथ्स, देन you are on the safe side. You can score good marks. Math was doable, but again I'm repeating, as per the analysis we have received, math doable था, but maths lengthy था. it was easier than previous session. If you have noticed the session 1 का maths का difficulty level, it was difficult compared to physics and chemistry and compared to previous years trends also. But this time अभी इस बारी shift 1 में April 2 के exam में it was moderate to hard, and the major factor for the maths was lengthiness was the major factor. The overall question paper was lengthy. Next, when we move ahead to chemistry, you can see the reaction. Someone from Patna, Bihar have said that chemistry was 100% NCERT today. So people are feeling that chemistry was easy and doable this time. Many people are asking on my WhatsApp chat that why we are not discussing the questions. So currently people are settling down. अभी धीरे धीरे लोग settle down कर रहे हैं. After they are settled, we will soon start with discussing the questions. What kind of questions were asked in the JEE Main 2026 shift 1 April 2 exam. So as you can see on the screen, ऑर्गेनिक नेम बेस्ड रिएक्शन से क्वेश्चन आए थे, पी ब्लॉक एंड डी ब्लॉक से क्वेश्चन आए थे, फिजिकल न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आए थे, केमिकल बॉन्डिंग से क्वेश्चन आए थे, कोऑर्डिनेट कंपाउंड से क्वेश्चन आए थे, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स से क्वेश्चन आए थे. किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आए थे, सून वी विल स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग द सेम कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपको केमिस्ट्री में आए थे. सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री से क्वेश्चन आए थे एंड बायोमोलिक्यूल से क्वेश्चन आए थे. So someone from Pune is saying that chemical kinetics half-life numerical was standard formula. Electrochemistry से Nernst equation based inorganic felt lighter than usual. Biomolecule से 1-2 direct ID from NCERT table. Chemistry was the biggest score booster. So someone from Pune, Maharashtra is feeling that the chemistry was the booster for them and it might help them to get good marks in the session 2 exam. So make sure to comment down your reaction also on how was the overall difficulty level of the question paper was. And after completion of this analysis, we will be discussing the marks versus percentile on what will be the marks versus percentile for the shift 1 exam based on the difficulty level of the exam. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. So guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you can read out the comment on how the difficulty level of the question paper was for chemistry. So guys, make sure to comment down how did you feel the question paper was. So वैभव, आपका सेकेंड शिफ्ट में एग्ज़ाम है. सो व्हाट आई कैन से इज़ फिजिक्स यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी ईजी. शिफ्ट 2 का फिजिक्स ईजी होने वाला है एज पर द प्रीवियस ईयर ट्रेंड्स. केमिस्ट्री थोड़ा ट्रिकी हो सकता है बिकॉज केमिस्ट्री पे दिस टाइम इट वाज मोर फोकस्ड. आफ्टर सेशन 1 द होल थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ पीपल हैव चेंज रिलेटेड टू केमिस्ट्री. सो केमिस्ट्री को आप थोड़ा हाई प्रोफाइल में सर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट कंपेयर टू सेशन शिफ्ट 1 से केमिस्ट्री डिफिकल्ट होगा. एंड when it comes to mathematics लेंदी होने वाला है because every time from past 2 sessions we have observed that it is lengthy and this time also it is going to be lengthy. So make yourself prepared. अगर फिजिक्स भी in case difficult आता है तो you have to be prepared कि हाँ you are able to solve it. You are able to solve all the questions. So analysis, watch this analysis to analyze what can be predicted. Don't make yourself comfortable with कि हाँ ये जो अभी क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, ये जो एनालिसिस दिख रहा है, सेम एनालिसिस अभी शिफ्ट 2 में आएगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है। एनटीए हमेशा सरप्राइज करता है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप एक थॉट प्रोसेस पे इस एनालिसिस को देख, किसी भी एनालिसिस, नॉट ओनली ऑन माय चैनल बट आप किसी भी चैनल के एनालिसिस को देख के उसको स्टिक मत हो कि यही एनालिसिस मुझे आने वाला है, मेरा एग्जाम का पेपर भी डिफिकल्टी लेवल यही होने वाला है। ऐसा नहीं होता है, हमेशा एनटीए सरप्राइज करता है। सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड योर सेल्फ बट ऑलवेज बी काम। हमेशा सबसे फर्स्ट रूल है बी काम। मेक श्योर यू आर फील कॉन्फिडेंट कि चलो मुझे सारे चैप्टर्स नहीं आते, लेकिन जो मैं 5 चैप्टर्स मुझे आते हैं मैं उसमें तोड़ के आऊँगा। आपका ये एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्वेश्चन पेपर। मुझे 10 चैप्टर नहीं आते, लेकिन मुझे 5 चैप्टर आते, वो 5 चैप्टर में मेरा ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि उससे किसी भी टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे मैं उसे तोड़ के आऊँगा। दिस शुड बी योर एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड योर क्वेश्चन पेपर। अगर आप ऐसा एटीट्यूड मेंटेन कर रहे हो देन मेक श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट गुड मार्क्स इन सेशन 2 एग्जाम। इवन दो इफ यू हैव नॉट गॉट गुड मार्क्स इन सेशन 1, सेशन 2 पे आपका गुड मार्क्स आने वाला है। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मैथमेटिक्स के मैथमेटिक्स का क्वेश्चन कैसा था। सो right now also from multiple people we have received that maths was brutally long. Integration had 3-step calculation, 3D geometry has complex plane line intersection, left 3 numericals unattempted due to time was a major factor in maths as you can see on the screen। ये पर्टिकुलर मैं अभी एक कमेंट पढ़ रहा हूँ जहाँ पे बहुत इजीली लिखा हुआ है लोगों ने कि मैथ्स लेंदी था बट इट वाज डूएबल। as per the analysis that we have received right now, math was doable. How do you feel? How was the question paper? If you have appeared for the session 2 April 2 exam, then tell me how was the question paper and what do you think will lie ahead? हम लोग बहुत जल्दी क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे। मैं एटलीस्ट आपको एग्जांपल जरूर दूंगा कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे, सो दैट यू रिमेन कॉन्फिडेंट ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम टाइम। सो मैथ्स से, कैलकुलस से क्वेश्चन आया था, वेक्टर्स एंड 3D ज्योमेट्री से क्वेश्चन आया था, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री से आया था, अलजेब्रा एंड मैट्रिसेस से आया था, प्रोबेबिलिटी से आया था, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज एंड कंटिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी। सो इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन से क्वेश्चन आया था। यू कैन सी, चेक इट आउट ऑन द स्क्रीन करेंटली। ये हमारा सारे एक्सपेक्टेड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वाई आई एम पॉजिंग एंड वेटिंग फॉर यू गाइज, यू कैन रीड आउट द कमेंट। आप थोड़ा टाइम देके कमेंट्स को रीड आउट करो कि व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग, बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक योर सेल्फ प्रिपेयर्ड। इवन दो इफ इट इज पर्सन टू पर्सन कमेंट वेरी करता है, बट एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट अ आइडिया कि हाँ मतलब कहाँ पे मुझे वर्कआउट करना है, टाइमिंग बेस्ड पे, टाइमिंग पे कहाँ मुझे फोकस करना है, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू कैन proceed with the exam if you're appearing in the session 2 or in the future exam. So as you can see on the screen, limit had standard but need practice. So limit से standard question आए थे but needed practice. Differentiability at a point, checking continuity plus derivative existence matrices determines expansion was lengthy. So डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी से थोड़े लेंदी क्वेश्चंस आए थे। सो यू हैव टू मेक योर सेल्फ प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली कि अगर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं तो यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व थिंग्स अप वेरी क्विकली। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फ्रॉम algebra, permutation and combination had a real application question. So as you can see, someone from Jodhpur is saying that algebra section से permutation and combination had a real life application question. Sets and relation came with one question. Hyperbola question in coordinate geometry was unexpected but solvable. So अभी हमें जो भी analysis मिले हैं उससे एक चीज़ ज़रूर पता चला है कि क्वेश्चन पेपर वॉज, मैथ सेक्शन वॉज डूएबल, मैथ सेक्शन डूएबल था। People have attempted all the questions, like most of the question people have attempted if they were prepared, but lengthiness, if you are appearing in the future shift, अगर आप future shift में appear कर रहे हो तो what I would recommend कि आप एक बार ज़रूर ये चीज़ चेक कर लो कि आपका लेंथीनेस पे आप कितना क्विकली, मतलब मैथ्स टुडे इज़ अबाउट लेंथीनेस, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आर कमिंग लेंथी एंड मैथ्स इवेंचुअली लेंथी बन जा रहा है। तो अगर वैसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन अगर आपके पास आ भी रहा है तो आप क्विकली कैसे उसे अटेम्प्ट करके सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट। अगर आप फ्यूचर एग्जाम में अपीयर कर रहे हो, अगर आप शिफ्ट 2 में अपीयर कर रहे हो, कीप योर सेल्फ काम, डोंट थिंक मच अबाउट द सेशन 1 का कैसा रहा, लेंदी रहा, बट इट वॉज ईजी। आप एक चीज़ ले सकते हो कि अगर मैक्सिमम अगर डिफिकल्ट भी आएगा तो एक ऐसा लाइफ का डिफिकल्टी हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे लोग थोड़ा फ्लिप कर जाए कि हाँ इतना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट कैसे क्वेश्चन बना सकता है कोई, तो वैसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन हम लोग शिफ्ट टू में एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जेई इज अनएक्सपेक्टेबल एंड एनटीए इज मोर. तो एनटीए कभी भी कुछ टाइप का भी क्वेश्चन पुट आउट कर सकता है आपके सामने. सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. दैट इज व्हाट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस को जल्दी लाने का आपके पास, सो दैट यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व थिंग्स क्विकली एंड एनालाइज कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे एग्जाम में. So this is one important tip that I would recommend you to give based on the shift one, which is start with chemistry. Always start with chemistry. 45 spend maximum, like some people have said that they were able to finish physics in 40 minutes and chemistry in 30 minutes only. So even not 30 minutes, but ideally spend not more than 45 minutes in chemistry. NCERT bit most questions scoring first. So this particular analysis that you see right now over here, it is completely and totally based on the shift one का difficulty level. So as per the shift one, in the shift one, people have said that ki chemistry was doable in the 45 minutes. So if you are appearing for the future exam, make sure yourself that even though if that question difficulty level is high, you are able to solve as many as question in the first 50 minutes of the exam. Then when it comes to chemistry, most people said that chemistry was physics took 55 minutes, but as per the recent review that we have received from some of our students, they have clearly said that chemistry took only 35 to 40 minutes for them. Yes, physics took only 35 to 40 minutes for them. Again, I'm repeating it, physics only took 35 to 40 minutes for them. So if you are appearing for the JEE Main session 2 exam, make sure to manage your time accordingly, and soon, very soon, we'll be bringing out the type of question that was asked in the exam. So make sure you stick till the end, and I'll be back in just 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can read out the how student failed the question paper was, how much time did they spend in the exam for each section. You can check it out. I have added it in the screen. Guys, soon we'll be starting with the analysis discussion. Until then, let's discuss the marks versus percentile for shift 1. Also, guys, comment down and make sure to like the channel so that we can keep on creating more lives going ahead. As you can see on the screen, this is the marks versus percentile for the day one shift one. It was moderate. Overall, the difficulty level was moderate. So if you are accomplishing 99 point, if you want to accomplish 99.9 percentile in the exam, then you need to have 45 to 45 plus marks in JEE Main shift one, and the expected rank has to be more than, you'll get more than 160. When it comes to 99 percentile, you need to get 180 plus marks. For 95 you need 122. For 90 it's 98 marks. For 85 percentile you need a minimum of 75 plus marks. For 80 percentile you need minimum of 56 plus marks. So this analysis has been completely prepared based on the previous year's trends and analysis, so also based on the shift 1 difficulty level. So this is the shift 1 day 1 mark versus percentile detailed analysis. So if you have appeared for the JEE Main session 2 day 1 exam, then make sure to check this out for the marks versus percentile, and soon, very soon, we'll be highlighting the question or the type of question that was asked in the exam. So as you can see on the screen, this is the marks versus percentile. Because Ayush 14 lakh, because at the end of the day there are multiple, like when the result comes out, we have been doing JEE from long, and जब भी result आता है तो बहुत large number of people who don't appear for the exam. So in that case we have considered that and prepared the analysis along with the marks versus percentile, and very soon we'll be giving you access to the overall question paper, the question that was asked in the exam. So make sure you stick till the end. So until we are collecting the questions from candidates, what I would recommend you do is check out the topper tips. If you are appearing for the future exam, check out the topper tip on what do they generally follow to get the good marks in exam. And meanwhile, I'll try to collect as many questions as we can from candidates who have appeared for the exam. So guys, we are trying to get more and more questions for you. So make sure you stick till the end of this live. I will be providing some of the important questions that were asked in the exam. Also, if you know any question that you think appeared for the exam, then make sure to comment down the same in the comment section. So guys, still we are trying to collect the questions, so make sure you stick till the end. Also, again I'm repeating it, overall the question paper was moderate. The physics section was easy to moderate. Chemistry was doable, and it was also under easy to moderate. Max section was moderate to difficult, but it was lengthy. It was doable, but it was lengthy. So these are the comments that we have received from the candidate who have appeared for the, and most of the people look for maths ka what people thought about maths. So make sure to read out. I'll meanwhile I'll collect questions. You read out the comments, what people felt, how was the question paper, and what did they feel, that how like based on their feedback you can plan your strategy for future. So guys, finally we have first question on our screen, as you can see. So the correct increasing order for bond length among the following is, so the question based on bond length was asked in the JEE Main Shift 1 Session 2 exam. So if you are appearing for the exam, make sure to practice this question